Hello students, do you know science says that your thoughts shape your life and career because the law of attraction stated in quantum physics says that thoughts we focus on come into reality. So students, have you realized one thing? If you want to fulfill your dream, if you want to have success in life, if you want to get good marks in every exam, then you need to focus on that. For that, you have to set your daily routine and work on it accordingly. And to follow this daily routine, you need to inculcate that in your mind. So let's do that. Fold your legs and sit at quiet place with your back straight. Now gently close your eyes. Take long, quiet, deep breath. With every breath, your body will relax. The mind will calm down and you will enter into the alpha state of mind. Things emphasized at this stage becomes your reality. Keep breathing. Entered into the alpha state of mind. I am smart. I am intelligent. Once I intend to do something, I always accomplish that. I sincerely complete every decided task. This nature of mine always leads me to the success. Every night I fall asleep at particular time. So it is easy for me to get up at decided time in the morning. After getting up in the morning, before I begin with my lesson, I have made it a habit of exercising for half an hour. Because of exercise, I feel enthusiastic all day long. Every morning, I begin with the subject which I used to find difficult. And now, it comes easily to me. Thus, I find all the subjects easy now. All the subjects are my favorite subjects now. I always revise everything I learn before I switch to the next one. Revision strengthens my memory and helps me to recall the information more easily in the examination. Now I am habitual of revising. Revision plays a significant role in my success. I know very well that revision means not just a rereading, but recalling answers with closed eyes and without books. As I have already practiced recalling the answers at home, I can easily reproduce all the answers while writing in the exam. I have aptly realized that revision is the key to successful memory. I have made a study timetable and I follow it thoroughly. Therefore, each subject gets appropriate time slot. And also, I complete my study on time. As a result, I score well in any exam, may it be a surprise test. Drinking plenty of water with proper diet is necessary for healthy body and alert brain. So I always make sure to drink enough water and take nutritious food. I am absolutely aware that if I want to become someone in life, I should not get distracted by things like TV, mobile, social media. This is the right time to study and I must do it. So, I have now learned to focus on my lessons by completely ignoring these distractions. So, now I have enough time for my study and no one can stop me from having successful career by scoring excellent marks. The more I practice, the better I become. So whenever it is possible, I keep practicing and I keep excelling. Now, I am habitual of excelling in my every exam. Yes, I am consistent in my every task. I am disciplined. I am studious. I am making amazing progress. By taking this aspiring and determined feeling with me, let me come out of this alpha state of mind. Once again, all my attention is on my breathing. With every breath, I am coming out of this alpha state of mind. Let me slowly open my eyes and proceed further to my studies right away. I'm sure you're happy with the experience, so please like the video and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you.